Right, welcome back to IT and Trades, and guys, this is going to be basically my update for this week that's passed. Now, it's been rough, bro. It's been rough. Now, first of all, what I trade mostly is obviously gold. So I was basically caught up in whatever this may be. Now, if you zoom out on the hourly, we can see that initially price rebounded very strongly as it from 4400, right, kept on going up until it reached around the 5100, which is now considered a major resistance zone. If price breaks this zone, obviously we would have continuation, right? Now, guys, just a reminder that this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. This is only for my personal documentation purposes. I'm just trying to show you the reality of trading, right? The reality behind it all, because it's not always like it's portrayed on social media, and we got to remember that. Anyway, where was I? All right, so we were caught in this consolidation, right? So this was from this whole week, actually, pretty much. We've been caught in this mess here, and a lot of people got caught in this mess. A lot of people got stopped out. A lot of people made some money, especially when I look at this. This is a scalper's paradise. Now, yesterday afternoon, Thursday, is when the market gave us the sell-off, right? Gave us this immense sell-off out of nowhere, and as you can see, I got stopped out for a loss, and I lost about $200, $300 here, okay? So I said to myself, well, if this drops, certainly every time there's a sharp drop on gold like this, it tends to recover very strongly. And I've noticed that from trading gold for the past couple of years now. I've noticed that its recoveries are always very, very strong. And as you can see here, it has recovered. Now, guys, you won't believe me. You actually won't believe me. So as soon as I started seeing this reversal from the bottom here, I was like, okay, well, let me get in for a buy, and I got in for a buy here, right? Made some it was about, my take profit was at 4970. Now, unfortunately, as you can see, obviously I should have held it longer, right? Now, what pisses me off, and I don't know about you guys, is this is the time, around this time I was asleep. And that's normally when the market comes back into my areas and just continues up. So had I used a limit order here, I mean, we probably would have been in a better position. We made some losses here, made some considerable losses here. The rest of the week, I also took a few small trades here and there, but mostly loss. We made up some. And then today on the CPI release, now, let me be honest with you, this was a bit of a coin toss, but from the previous data, and from reading up a bit about the most recent economic expectations in the US, I did enter for a long, right? I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I entered for 3 long positions just before CPI dropped, and luckily for me, it went in the right direction. We got the CPI spike, right? Spiked very nicely, came back, retested, and unfortunately I missed this entry here, which would have now been peach. I mean, this is about a 1.4% gain. So unfortunate, but it is what it is. This is the reality of trading. So that's it for gold for this week. On silver, very funny story, right? Silver is a bit more subdued. I feel like gold is recovering much stronger than silver is, but if we zoom out here, guys, now basic price action tells us that this is a falling wedge. And normally what this falling wedge means in a larger context, remember this is a daily time frame. We had this extreme sell-off, the same time as gold, right? We had this extreme sell-off. We had this extreme sell-off again. Now, price to me here is forming a falling wedge. Normally what this would imply is something like this, right? Is something like this, a recovery. Is this guaranteed? No. Is it possible? Yes. Is it possible that it just breaks to the downside? Yes, it is possible. But something tells me that this 70 level, the 70 USD level for silver is a very important level. Very important psychological level, being a strong level of support. And guys, I'm just leaning towards this. I'm leaning towards this happening. I may be wrong on this, but this to me is just forming that perfect falling wedge, which signifies that bearish momentum is slowly but surely fading, and possibly we are in reversal territory. Now we will have to see if that happens. I didn't really take trades on any other pairs, guys. I was watching AUD USD. I was also watching, and actually did retest my level quite nicely, but not as much volume in this market as I would want to, a bit choppy here, so that wouldn't have been a clean entry. Euro USD I was also watching, but you know, there's no volume here whatsoever. So I feel like the real winner for today is gold, and as you can see, it's still pumping. So I wish I was in this. I wish I had held this a bit longer. Unfortunately, I did not. So it is what it is, guys. It happens in trading, and this week has been terrible. But tell me, how was your week? How was your week of trading? Let me know in the comment section. Once again, guys, make sure you subscribe to ITN Trades. We are here to give you the realistic picture of trading, not like it's portrayed on social media. This is how it is for the everyday Joe that's just trying to succeed in trading. So make sure that you smash the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I'll be seeing you next time.